Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to prevent Telegram from accessing your contacts. Whether you're focused on privacy or just want more control over your data, this updated method will help you lock things down in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control how apps interact with your device, including what kind of information they can access. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Depending on your device, this might also appear as apps and notifications or simply applications. Now look through the list of installed apps and find Telegram. Tap on it to open the app settings. Inside the Telegram app settings, tap on Permissions. This section shows everything Telegram is currently allowed to access on your device, like your camera, microphone, and contacts. Next, tap on Contacts. This is the key step. You'll see the current permission status here. To stop Telegram from accessing your contacts, select Don't Allow. As soon as you do this, Telegram will no longer be able to read or sync your contact list. And that's it. You've successfully blocked Telegram from accessing your contacts. Keep in mind, after disabling this permission, some features like contact syncing or finding friends automatically may not work as expected. But if privacy is your priority, this is the best way to stay in control. If you ever change your mind, you can always come back to the same settings and allow access again. Thanks for watching.